Montoya, okay. Come on up, Mr. Montoya.
Aquí.
Thanks.
¿Qué pasó? Yo le voy a interpretar.
Mr. Montoya,
Montoya?
you were charged with driving while intoxicated. You are facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. You have worked out an agreement where they're offering you 50 days in jail with credit for the 50 days that you've done.
Yes.
Oh, he has another DWI. Did you see that?
Well, there's a question whether it's in.
So Freestone County has a hold on this gentleman for a DWI above a .15.
He doesn't acknowledge that, Judge.
He has a prior DWI from the same place. You need to realize something, Mr. Montoya, that this now may very well be your second DWI conviction because you're pleading guilty to this DWI. Once you have 2 DWIs, when you pick up a third, you're looking at a 3rd-degree felony, 2 to 10 in the penitentiary. Is that what it's going to take? Prison time? Some people only learn the hard way. Is what it's going to take. Watch the news every single day. In our county here, someone dies from a DWI when it is extremely easy. One button on a phone of an Uber will take you wherever you need to go for $30 freaking dollars. From now on, you may be very well facing up to 10 years in prison, even with a sip of alcohol because of your record. You give up a lot of rights by entering this agreement. You give up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you are not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization under federal law. You give up the right to appeal. Once you plead guilty, it will go on your record. It will be there for the rest of your natural-born life. Do you understand?
Yes.
How do you plead to the offense of driving while intoxicated? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
Don't kill anyone. That's all we're asking. Don't kill anyone. We have enough death on the streets as it is. You have a DWI here. You have another one open somewhere else. You have one from last year. What's it going to take? I'm suspending your license. Is this pled as a first or is it pled as a second? I'm suspending your license for a year. Do not drive. Stop driving.
Deja de manejar.
Pled as a first investigator.
I'm not asking for much, man. Really. Good luck to you, man.
He's got a nice old Judge.
He still has another DWI in another county, man. Really. 1 year. Ricardo,
Yes, Judge.
you okay?
Yeah, just a long day.
I feel your pain.
Yeah.
He's basically the same.
We're baby. No, we're two brown people.
Hey, on Newton, are you ready?
I'm ready on this call. I just need
Mr. Pons, you ready?
Just check with the clerk.
It hasn't been called.
Which is great.
Marvin.
Yeah.
He needs more time. Okay.
No, I think we're,
We call him up. I just need to, we'll change the names because we're doing a name change.
but what about Newton? Are you ready?
On him, yes.
Can we bring her up?
Yeah.
Miss Newton, come up.
What's his name?
Yes.
Are you kidding?
And where to start stuff? Yes.
Are you kidding?
No.
That's hilarious.
Most of, you know the reason why.
Mr. Johnson, you were charged with evading arrest and detention. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present if you cannot afford one. One will be appointed to you, sir.
Yes, Judge. On February 3rd, 2025, the officer observed a vehicle with no proof of financial responsibility. The officer also observed the registered owner of the vehicle to have an open warrant out of Harris County. The vehicle ran a red light and stopped past the designated stopping point, and the vehicle turned north, driving quickly as to elude the officer's patrol vehicle. The defendant pulled into a driveway. The defendant got out of the driver's seat as the officer attempted to initiate a traffic stop with emergency equipment for the traffic violations and conduct the investigation. The officer told the defendant to come to him, and the defendant began to evade on foot. The officer told the defendant to stop, but the defendant continued running, jumping over fences before he was taken into custody. The defendant evaded for approximately 100 to 200 yards and was identified based on his ID and name.
What was the basis of the stop again?
So no proof of financial responsibility and running a red light.
Got it. All right, Mr. Johnson, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with the case. I'm telling you now, you're extremely lucky that this is a misdemeanor. You know, this is your third. On a second, it's a felony offense. You're very lucky. Can you run his license, please?
It's ineligible, not eligible, Your Honor.
Have you signed an affidavit with me today, Mr. Johnson? I don't care what's going on in your life. Do not drive. Do you understand? This is an affidavit that you're going to be promising me you're not going to drive. If you want to drive, go get a license, get liability insurance, and I will take this restriction off. But if I find that you do, I can have a contempt hearing. You can be facing an additional 6 months in jail and a $500 fine every time you drive. Do you understand? Do you have the ability to hire a lawyer, Mr. Johnson? So I'll have you fill out an application. I'll take a look at it to see whether you qualify. I'm going to have you come up here, swear to us that you're not going to drive. I'm going to get you to Billy to sign a reset, and then we'll take a look, fill it out. Don't pick up any new cases. Do you understand?
Sure.
You are lucky that this is not a felony offense right now as it is. So
What was the ordinance that was right?
do you have any THAs? Do you know? Has anyone not checked in?
You going to censor?
No, sorry.
What's your license, sir?
What's your last name?
John. Brandon Johnson.
Is your name Wilmer Johnson? Someone can confirm that you are operating motor vehicle without a valid test of driver's license and no driving with slow levels of correctly. Go ahead and sign your reset with me. Just sign your reset with the lady.
We have Mr. Butler here on the trial case today. This is Mr. Butler on the trial case today.
Yeah, we know.
Okay. I guess you want to wait for McKinsey?
Yeah, and may I make a suggestion too?
Sure.
So I want to give you a little roadmap and just, I've got a suggestion, something we could do. I've got a motion to exclude the drug test. I got several, but the first one I think is pretty below hanging fruit. Like one that would be easy enough for you to actually read the motion. Review the video can take you specifically to that section. And it's a easy decision.
What say you?
Like to make a motion too.
Yeah,
Yes.
so.
Have you seen what he's talking about? No.
No, I just.
I understand.
So we could maybe go back and sit down and chat with the woman, that left back there, and I can show it for you. And you can maybe work from there.
Take your time.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh, okay,
Here's two copies for you guys, and I'll leave one in the state.
Yes.
That's right.
We can get some more.
I'll leave it. Yes.
Actually, okay.
And Judge, I've got somebody on the way that, should be here shortly.
Sure.
Other set of eyes.
Who do you have,
It looks like
who do you
it's
have
about to
coming?
rain, you know what, out there.
Does it really?
Yeah, like it's really getting dark. And
Who do you have coming to sit with?
Annette Hernandez, it's just my assistant.
Okay.
Yeah, she was at the office covering the phones this morning and we had somebody up sick. Yeah, and I've only got two pieces, so she's just gonna forward me. Fine.
Okay.
Help me out a little bit.
And this is change right here, should be nice. Or you change right here. You got it.
Hey,
Or may I approach?
what's up?
I was just in the neighborhood, so I don't know if this is something we can do without my client, but I wanted to just check it out across the hall. I've got a young kid in high school living at his parents' house. He's on house arrest with a laundry list.
I remember the one kid.
He needs to take his SAT test to try to get into college. That is March the 8th. I just wanted to approach and make sure
Okay with
that
that.
you're kosher. Okay, that's
Yeah.
why. Thank you.
Let them know. And for the time that he needs to go out, we're okay with that.
I know everybody wants to go take the SATs. but Thank you, Judge.
Have to.
We did. We've all paid our dues. Thank you, Judge.
Absolutely. Marcos, you ready?
I'm waiting on
Not yet.
just to pay trouble.
Not yet, Your Honor, the paperwork's not ready.
Do you have a few Marcos?
Yes, Judge.
The light here?
Excuse me.
Yes.
Who is it on?
One more chief.
Oh, is it the gentleman from the back?
He's
Oh, he's out. Okay.
he's.
Did we do a T-RAS?
Yes, so he's been in custody now. Bottom line, Judge offers is 21 days. Credit for center.
I don't know if I'm gonna take a time served on someone who's got an open DWI in another county and he's got a DWI here and he's got.
It's not open over there, Judge. He's not open. It's not open over there. He's not open over there. And he told me he's reporting once a month, I'm sorry, once a week to some sort of a treatment over there. It's the 22-month probation in Tarrant County. And he lives in Tarrant County. His family's in Tarrant County.
Signature.
Thank you, Judge.
So it's 22 months over there. His family's over there. He has to report. He was just telling me once a week to, I don't know exactly what it is. I'm thinking some sort of treatment. And for him to come down here constantly is just, it's not feasible for him. So that's why I thought, you know what, let's just close him out. Yes, he'll have 2 convictions, but he'll be in Tarrant County. He'll take care of that. He'll get, help over there and then he'll be done.
Said he has how much credit?
He should have 7 days.
7 for the phone.
We did do a T-RAS though, right?
Yes.
What did the T-RAS recommend? I'm assuming residential?
Community, not, oh, I guess that's different then.
By IOP SSC, because they took into consideration because of the here immigration status and all of that. Because he was very versatile for it and he didn't qualify.
Because of the immigration issue? Or
Because
what?
he lived in Tarrant County as well.
Hmm.
The community residential is what they came up.
I don't know, Marcos. Every time we deviate from that, it explodes. It literally just,
What if I find out? What if we reset him so I can get more information from Tarrant County? And talk to his probation officer and figure out exactly what he's going to be doing over there. And then if it's similar to this, then he's getting the treatment, then.
but this is residential. They're not doing this. Otherwise, he would be in it right now. You know? I doubt that, because they already pled him, right? I don't even know if they knew that this thing was open, so they're just,
Sure they did.
I mean, I don't know, I mean, we can't speculate on things, right? Because it's just. Thanks.
Mr. Butler.
Thank you.
All right. I mean, who's next one's a felon. I mean, they'll have to deal with that, I guess. All right,
Understand.
okay, Mark.
Bring him up.
You ready?
I need to come.
Oh, sorry. Yes. Sorry about that.
Yeah, she's here. She just left.
Did you read his motion to suppress?
I did. I'm sure Mackenzie did.
I was working in, that.
I'm starting here.
Yeah, what's the
That's so funny. Who made that? Okay, there it is.
Wonderful, yeah.
Hi, Judge.
Frank, you ready?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you need a translator?
No, he speaks English.
Coming up, sir. This is
Lenin Arauz.
Arauz.
Arauz, it's a .09, Judge, but just let you know.
Shh, you are Mr. Arauz. Sir, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir.
Judge, I had to wait probable cause unless you want to hear it.
Anything egregious? She said,
No, it's
109.
point
No,
zero.
Judge, the vehicle had driven up to the sidewalk, but other than that, it is a .097.
Okay. So there is probable cause to go forward with your case, Mr. Arauz. I'm ordering you as a condition of your bond not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs, or unprescribed controlled medication. I'm going to randomly test you. If I find that you're consuming alcohol or illegal drugs, I will put you in jail. No more PR bonds. Do you understand? Do you have does he have a valid Texas driver license?
Yes, Judge, and I'd like to bring something else to the attention of the court. It was 6:30 in the morning and he is 17.
Oof. No more. If you have a problem with drugs or alcohol, you better address it, because if you don't, I'm going to do it for you. And I promise you're not going to like the way that I do it. Do you understand? No alcohol, no illegal drugs, and I'm going to test you. If you don't believe me, ask Frank. I don't want you using at all. I don't care where you're going, what you're doing. Do you understand? Okay. All right. I'm going to have you meet with Felicia for your bond conditions, and then we'll send you on your way. Because you have a lawyer, I will waive your appearance, so you don't have to waste your time coming to court, but you have to stay in touch with Frank, and he'll tell you when you have to come back to court. If he tells me that you start playing games, you pick up a new case, you don't remain in contact with him, I'm going to issue a warrant. You understand? Okay, man. Good luck.
Judge, have a good day.
Sorry, I would
Frank.
just like to request if possible, if we could put in his bond conditions to continue going to school.
Yeah, I'm down with that. Is he in high school?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, it's a condition of your bond that you remain in high school as well, all right? You either work full-time or you're in high school full-time. You know, when
He
you
is
have,
working full-time, Judge. He does work.
if you're in high school, right? When you have too much time on your hands, people become self-destructive. So you need to occupy your time, do something worthwhile. All right?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
bud. Good luck.
Thanks, Judge.
So Felicia, what did Mr. Gomez test positive for?
Jeff, the results came back presumptively for THC and cocaine.
Unacceptable. I am now, you have a bond violation for tampering with your device. I now send you for a drug test. You test positive for cocaine and THC. Nope, goes with you.
Judge, if I may, may I make some argument, Judge? Okay, Judge, so he is a plumber. Part of his duties as a plumber is sometimes he has to work in water. Because he has a device, he has to wear long rugs. The day of the tamper was a Tuesday, and it was during work hours. The time of the tamper, the alleged tamper was during work hours. He claims that he received notifications that the battery wasn't working, that he took it to Sentinel and Sentinel replaced it. We tried to verify that. We were not able to verify that with Sentinel. However, Despite that, I believe that maybe those rubber boots that he had to wear that day because he was submerged in water at that point, probably had something to do with the device not reading appropriately. I mean, they're big, thick rubber boots that are waterproof. In addition to that, Judge, he is a father. He has a 1 year old, 1 year, 4-month-old, and the mother of the child that are dependent on him. He is the primary provider for the family. I've admonished him that he is not to do anything, no drugs, no alcohol, no nothing, can't mess with his device. If anything ever comes up again with his device where he has to go in, he needs to notify me. So Judge, we'd just be asking for him not to be revoked at this time and give him another opportunity. If the court would like to.
He's not gonna do it, right? He's testing positive for cocaine. I've ordered him not to use at all. I'm sorry. No.
If the court would like to do random UAs instead, Your Honor.
Or just what we're doing now. Goes with you. Your bond is revoked. Sorry, Ray. I can't. I mean, I was prepared to do that with that, but you're testing positive for cocaine. Unacceptable. I can't just let you go with that.
Yes, sir.
No, because then I become the enabler and I'm telling you, hey, man, it's okay for you to use. And it's not. No. I love you, Ray, but.
He's just gonna get a nice hold and.
Well, I don't know that, but hey, this is a second DWI. You already have a bond violation and now you're using? I mean, I can't just continue. I get it. He has to understand that actions have consequences. This is not our first rodeo. It's a second DWI and he's using?
Yes,
Sorry. Okay. 5,000. Tony. Ready.
Custody case.
Okay. Deputy Chigoin, do you mind helping me out? I need someone brought out in back.
No, that's not right. Check. I'm sorry.
Who's the plan? I don't even have your signature. Go ahead, sign. Yeah, go ahead and sign. Ready? Go ahead, go ahead. I know.
I granted your withdrawal on the other one.
I'm sorry.
I granted your withdrawal. on the other one.
Thank you. That's what we spoke about.
Yeah.
Yes.
Minutos. Tú vas a escuchar ahí, ¿ok?
So this is with a new